Hi guys, welcome to Win's Vlog. I'm your host Rohit, and today I am super excited as I'm gonna do dune bashing in Dubai with one of the best groups, or you can say the top groups, which is Dubai Offroaders. It was formed in 2007 and already has 7,000 plus members, and this is the only group which is licensed by the Dubai government. So today's drive is basically all about learners and beginners, and we would be doing a full course on this today. And just to give you more in depth, I would like Mr. Ahmed Parvez, who's the founder of Dubai Offroaders, come and speak a few words about yourself and of course about Dubai Offroaders, please.
Thank you, Rohit. So Dubai Offroaders, as Rohit has explained, was founded in 2007. We've been having drives for the past 13-14 years. We are here every weekend on Friday afternoons and to enjoy the great outdoors and to enjoy the fresh air. And it's a family event. My whole family is involved, my wife is involved, and she takes care of the logistics.
Wow.
She takes care of, and we go camping.
Wow.
That is where she really becomes a star.
That's nice.
She takes care of everything, and we have got the whole nationalities from Lebanon.
Wow, so if you all of you marshals can just come up and we can introduce yourself to my vlog.
You also come.
Wow, so how many marshals altogether, Mr. Parvez?
Right now we have about 30 marshals.
30 marshals?
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. And how many total cars do we have in this group? Or let's say we have got close to 7,000 group members.
See, on the Facebook we have got 7,300 members as of currently.
Okay.
And on the website we have 3,900 members.
What is today's drive about actually? Like, what are we going to do today?
Pierre.
Please, welcome.
Hi, my name is Pierre. Today we are actually leading a newbie convoy, what we call a newbie convoy, and this is to show first timers or people without any experience in off-roading how to take safety lines. Our motto in the club is safety, safety, safety. So we have fun, but safety is our main concern.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And if you can please quickly introduce yourself also.
Hello, so my name is Jeremy.
Yes, Jeremy, welcome.
I come from Belgium.
Okay.
And today I'm joining Hamza in the lead car. So I'm giving him support in choosing our lines. I'm giving him radio support.
Wow.
And just making sure that everybody, like Pierre said, gets through the drive in a safe manner, because that's our main.
So you're the technical guy, so who we need to be really banking on.
Today I'm a technical guy. Wow. My car is in a repair shop as of now, so I cannot drive myself.
Okay.
So I am in a supporting role today.
Thank you so much.
Hamza is the lead car today.
Mr. Hamza, yes, if you can introduce yourself, please.
So I'm Hamza, I'm one of the co-founders of the group.
Wow, that's really nice.
And yeah, today I'm leading the drive.
Okay. So which car are you driving?
The white Armada.
The white Armada.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
So
Sorry, a lot of noise around because there are a lot of people actually in the desert. But yeah.
So yes. So our aim today is to have a very safe drive.
Okay.
As well as give the people a taste of what driving in the sand feels like.
Perfect.
In order for them to learn and to grow better at driving in the sand.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your work. Sir, if you can please.
So I'm Irfan. I've been driving off-road for 28 years
Wow.
now. As you can see, I've lost a lot of hair doing that. I drive an FJ Cruiser.
Perfect.
And today my role is a sweep.
So guys, this brings us to the end of the dune bashing for today. Hope you have enjoyed it. So please do subscribe and share this video. And until next time, take care. Goodbye.